Mark Cuban, billionaire, hints XRP outbreak. This is when. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss what Mark Cuban hints about XRP and how you should get prepared for XRP in the future. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
In a recent tweet, billionaire Mark Cuban joined a choir of critics of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the former SEC attorney John Reed Stark has been slammed by the Shark Tank host for having absolutely no knowledge of crypto. On Friday, XRP holders protested the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple, a distributed ledger technology startup, outside the SEC's headquarters in Washington, D.C., and they want the regulator to end its war on crypto and look into the apparent conflict of interest of former chairman Jay Clayton. Crypto, according to Cuban, will continue to benefit entrepreneurs more than regulators. Cuban's transformation from skeptic to crypto supporter has been remarkable. For example, he stated in December that bananas were more useful than Bitcoin because they contain potassium, but he's now described a slew of crypto applications. He said that weather insurance, money transfer, provenance for digital files, marketplace efficiency for digital content, personal banking, prediction markets, non-fractionalized banking, structured financial products, fractionalization of assets, gaming rewards, soon ticketing. Stark stated earlier today that neither Bitcoin nor any other cryptocurrency has any utility. The only reason people own is in the hopes that it will increase in value, because it will be purchased by someone else, added Stark. Cuban isn't the only one in the crypto world who criticizes the SEC. After obtaining a $20 million penalty in his securities fraud case, Tesla CEO Elon Musk had the most public feud with the government regulator, alleging that he did not respect it. In a 2018 60 Minutes interview, the XRP army went to considerable measures to oppose the SEC, from bombarding the agency's random tweets with hostile remarks to mounting a protest outside its Washington, D.C. offices. The army also filed a change.org request with the SEC lately, but the government agency simply responded with a pre-programmed response, and with their move to mediate, digital currency holders are attempting to embed themselves into the Ripple claim as well. The contents of billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban's Ethereum wallet are now public knowledge. The Dallas Mavericks owner and Shark Tank star's Ethereum wallet address was revealed after he promoted a digital collectible listed on the non-fungible token (NFT) marketplace Rarible via his social media account. According to pseudonymous crypto researcher Dojitoshi, who initially tweeted out Cuban's Ethereum wallet address, promoting NFTs amounts to doxing oneself, publicly broadcasting an individual's private or identifying information. Cuban acknowledged it was his address after the wallet was posted online. Cuban's altcoin bag includes a long list of decentralized finance, DeFi, altcoins. Cuban holds $134,000 of the decentralized finance, DeFi, protocol Aave, which represents the vast majority of his portfolio. Aave enables users to borrow or lend crypto assets. Users who lend their crypto assets earn interest while borrowers use their crypto assets as collateral. After that, the next largest altcoin Cuban holds is about $1,000 of an obscure coin called Friends with Benefits. He also holds $400 of the controversial crypto Hex, which pays holders for rewards instead of miners. Cuban also holds a minuscule amount of a long list of crypto assets. It's likely that crypto investors sent small amounts of their favorite altcoin to Cuban's wallet in the hopes of convincing him to check them out or to trick others into believing that he is invested in them. The entrepreneurial titan explains that as the nascent DeFi sector grows and becomes more user-friendly, businesses and individuals will realize that they can gain access to what is essentially a streamlined financial system absent of the hassle embedded in traditional banking. If you have $10,000 in the bank and you need to borrow $2,500 to go on vacation knowing you're going to get a bonus at the end of the year, maybe you could put it on your credit card. You're going to pay your 19%. And if you wanted to get an actual loan from your bank, it's a hassle. For me to get a loan from the bank is a hassle, no matter how many assets I have. Well, you go on to Compound, I use Aave, and you just put the money there, and if I want to borrow $2,500 it takes me less than 15 seconds. The point is that the amount of friction involved to do it versus dealing with banks, and we're 6 months into this whole thing in terms of being consumer friendly. This shit is crazy. It's going to change how all businesses work. Cuban says that as smart contract platforms became more reliable and user friendly, the crypto space hit a pivotal point, and the idea of decentralizing finance in other areas began to seem possible. To me, once people got a feel for the blockchain, particularly on Ethereum, and the smart contracts started to become open source and understandable, and the apps started getting written so that they could be used by consumers, that took a step forward. At that point, people realized Bitcoin's not a currency. It's a store of value. Ethereum's not really a currency, even though you can buy things on the blockchain. But with smart contracts you can decentralize authority, and it's trusted by everybody. Cuban goes on to outline his prediction that as DeFi rises in popularity, so will non-fungible tokens, NFTs, describing a future in which nearly every physical asset that can be digitized will be. Then this past summer you really started to see decentralized finance, DeFi, take off, and that just changed the whole game. And that got people involved in putting money in wallets, figuring out wallets, yield farming, and then from there it was like collectibles. Now I have my wallet, I have money in my wallet. I can go to Rarible.com, I can go to OpenSea, I can go wherever, and all these things that I'm into I can collect. Effectively, you're able to monetize anything that's digital. Period. End of story. The wallet revealed Cuban had 450 staked Aave, AAVE, a decentralized lending platform that surged nearly 200% in value the past 2 weeks. According to CoinGecko, Cuban's initial 450 Aave purchase was worth roughly $128,500. Cuban's wallet address now shows he owns more than 947 Aave, all of which are staked. That haul is worth more than $460,000 at time of writing. Cuban is not the only high-profile investor to show some interest in the lending platform. In a recent interview, Mike Novogratz, the CEO of crypto investment firm Galaxy Digital, said Aave was one of a handful of DeFi assets that he believes could blow up the world and replace JP Morgan and the New York Stock Exchange in the future. Cuban revealed last month that he's been a long-time cryptocurrency investor despite his sharp critiques of digital assets in the past. Though the billionaire has shown an apparent interest in Aave, he's also publicly warned DeFi traders that the space faces the same risk of collapse as the traditional derivatives market. Just remember, with DeFi, as with all derivatives, the risk never leaves the system. One segment collapses, they all face risk of collapse. Mark Cuban has claimed he was hit by a cryptocurrency token market crash on Wednesday. The token, known as the Iron Titanium token or Titan, fell from over $60 on June 16 to a fraction over zero on Thursday morning, CoinGecko data shows. The token is linked to Iron Finance, a group that runs the wider Iron stablecoin project, which aims to avoid price volatility. On Thursday, Fred Skibesta, founder of the Finder.com finance site and Iron Finance investor, told CoinDesk the sudden crash in Titan was caused by panic selling by whales, individuals who hold large amounts of a certain token. He said, Titan's price went to $65 and then pulled back to $60. This caused whales to start selling. The news was soon being discussed on Twitter. Replying to one user, Cuban wrote, "I got hit like everyone else." He also claimed to have got out at one point, though he did not specify when. Experts have previously warned Newsweek about some of the risks and dangers associated with cryptocurrency trading. Cuban is known to have been involved in Titan, having mentioned the token on his blog in the past. In a June 13 post titled "The Brilliance of Yield Farming, Liquidity Providing and Valuing Crypto Projects," Cuban wrote that he was a liquidity provider, LP, for the QuickSwap decentralized exchange platform. He said, "I provide two different tokens, DAI/Titan, that enable QuickSwap to offer swaps between these two tokens." Cuban is known to have an interest in cryptocurrency and has spoken out about Dogecoin on television before. He is also positive about the future of decentralized finance, writing on his June 13 blog post that there are a lot of financial institutions that should be concerned by competition from it. On Wednesday, CoinDesk reported that Cuban had joined the decentralized D-Climate network, which aims to collect and monetize climate data, forecasts, and models, and then sell them on. It comes amid long-standing concerns around the sustainability of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency more widely due to energy usage. Last month, billionaire Elon Musk announced his electric car company Tesla had stopped accepting Bitcoin as payment because of similar concerns. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.